हाय चिल्ड्रन, नमस्ते। आप कैसे हैं? कुशल है ना? मुझे आशा है कि सब लोग कुशल होंगे। आई होप all are well and good. My dear children, stay home, be safe. Watch the all subject video without fail. Okay? It is very useful for you dears. आपका स्वागत। Welcome to Hindi video class. Today what we are going to learn? Part 10. Bada Kaun Hai? It is the poem. What is this girl doing? Yes, this girl helped to this person. Road crossing. Okay, we should also help others. Poor people, old people, we should also help to others. बड़ा कौन है? Who is a great person? It is the title. अपने को जो कहे बड़ा वह बड़ा नहीं कहलाता। अपने को जो कहे बड़ा वह बड़ा नहीं कहलाता। और लोग जिसको कहें बड़ा वही बड़ा समझा जाता। What is the meaning? अपने को जो कहे बड़ा वह बड़ा नहीं कहलाता। Some people telling I am rich, I am great person, I live in great palace, that like big building, I have more money, I am very great person, that like telling own. This is not true. और लोग जिसको कहें बड़ा, other people telling no, he is great person in our activities, our conduct. This only बड़े आदमी, बड़ा समझा जाता है. They only called great person. Okay. Next, बड़ा नहीं होता कोई भी धन दौलत पाने से. बड़ा नहीं होता कोई भी धन दौलत पाने से. नहीं बड़ा बनता मनुष्य ऊंचे महलों में रहने से. नहीं बड़ा बनता मनुष्य ऊंचे महलों में रहने से. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग? धन दौलत पाने से बड़ा नहीं होता. We get more money, wealth, means we are not big person, good, great person. बड़ा बनता मनुष्य ऊंचे महलों में रहने से. We have big house, buildings, many buildings, means they also not great person. Okay. सच पूछो तो बड़ा आदमी होना सबसे आसान काम. सच पूछो तो बड़ा आदमी होना सबसे आसान काम. शील व गुणों से होता सदा बड़े लोगों के नाम. शील व गुणों से होता सदा बड़े लोगों में नाम. सच पूछो तो बड़ा आदमी होना आसान काम. It is the simple work, very easy work. We want to great person, it is very easy. How we have, yes, शील व गुणों से होता सदा बड़े लोगों के नाम. शील means our character, गुणों our behaviors. It good means we will become great person. Okay, it is very easy. Okay. जो तुम होना बड़ा चाहते तुम उसका है एक उपाय. जो तुम होना बड़ा चाहते तो उसका है एक उपाय. दुर्बल दीन अनाथ जनों का तन मन धन से करो सहाय. दुर्बल दीन अनाथ जनों का तन मन धन से करो सहाय. सहाय. What is the meaning? Means if you want to become great person, this is the idea. That is the idea. Upay. Upay means what is the idea? दुर्बल दीन अनाथ जनों का तन मन धन से करो सहाय. दुर्बल. दुर्बल means weak person, old person. दीन, poor. दीन means poor, अनाथ, अनाथ means orphan people. जनों का तन मन धन से करो सहाय. We should help तन मन धन से. We should help tan means body, man mind, and dhan means wealth, money. We should help these three things. First one is our body. We should help others, and mind. We should always have helping mind. Okay, man means mind, dhan, and then we have more money. We should give to others, people, poor people. Some money give to the poor people. This only help of others. Karo sahay. Sahay means help. We should help our body, mind, and the wealth. Okay, it is the good habits. Do you understood? Yes, very good. Next we are going to learn Shabdarth meanings. Dhan Daulat. First one, Dhan Daulat means wealth. Next, Sahayata, help. Sahayata means help. Upay. Upay, what is the meaning? Yes, idea. Unche Mahal, big buildings. Unche Mahal means big buildings. Anath. Anath means orphan. Durbal, weak. Bal means strong. The opposite, Durbal, weak person. Such means truth. Admi. Who is Admi? Yes, man. Ulte Shabd. Opposites, first one, Admi. Already we know Admi, man. The opposite, Aurat. Aurat, woman. Aurat means woman. Durbal, opposite, Bal. Durbal means weak. Bal means strong. Such means truth. Jute means, yes, lie. Asan means easy. Katin means tough. Okay, Asan, easy. Katin, tough. Understood? Yes. Next we are going to learn part 11, Paryavaran or Pradushan. Paryavaran means our environment, and the Pradushan. Pradushan means what? Yes. See this picture? Yes. Pollution. Paryavaran means environment and pollution. Okay. What is pollution? Yes. Pollution is the process of making the environment pollute the water and the air by adding harmful substances. Pollution causes an imbalance in the environment. Let me start. Yes. How many types of pollutions? Yes. Pollution have 3 types. Jal Pradushan, Vayu Pradushan, or Dhvani Pradushan. One is water pollution and another one is Vayu. Vayu means air pollution, and another one is noise pollution, sound pollution. Let me start. Yes. प्रकृति स्वच्छ और निर्मल होती है. प्रकृति means nature. How is nature? Yes. स्वच्छ और निर्मल. Nature is very clean and pure. Okay. Prakriti is clean and pure. We only make the pollute. Okay. इसमें पशु, पक्षी, वनस्पति, मानव आदि सभी हिल मिलकर रहते हैं. We will live here. पशु पक्षी means animals and birds. वनस्पति vegetation, plants, trees, मतलब मानव, मानव means we only, men, we live together, हिल मिलकर रहते हैं, all live together, हिल मिलकर रहते हैं means live together. प्रकृति सदा सबको समतोल में रखती है. Nature always keep us equal. Okay. Balance. समतोल. समतोल means equal. We give it. Nature give us equal rights only. मनुष्य बड़ा स्वार्थी है. स्वार्थी means selfish. Men have selfish. सदा अपना ही हित चाहता है. Always he want to welfare of him only. Sada. Sada means always. He want to his welfare only. मनुष्य अपनी भलाई के लिए प्रकृति को बिगाड़ देता है. Men for his welfare he destroy the nature. भलाई. भलाई means welfare. प्रकृति को बिगाड़ देता है. He was destroy the nature. बिगाड़ना. बिगाड़ना means destroy. इसका प्रभाव सब पर पड़ता है. इसका प्रभाव. प्रभाव means effect. It affect in the everyone. सब पर पड़ता. It affect everyone. Okay. आज हमारी प्रकृति का संतुलन बिगड़ गया है. Nowadays our nature's balance is destroyed. Okay. संतुलन. संतुलन means balance. इससे मनुष्य का जीवन खतरे में पड़ गया. So men life have become danger. खतरे. खतरे means danger. Okay. प्रदूषण 3 प्रकार के होते हैं. 3 प्रकार. 3 types. Pollution have 3 types. वे जल प्रदूषण. One is जल. जल means water. Water pollution. Another one is वायु प्रदूषण. Air pollution. और ध्वनि प्रदूषण. Third one is noise pollution. Okay. First one, let we start. जल प्रदूषण. हमारे देश में कई कारखानों का निर्माण हुआ है. In our country there are many factories. कारखानों का निर्माण. Establish many factories. Okay. प्लास्टिक, वार्निश, चमड़ा, रबड़, कागज के कारखानों में तमाम गंदगी नदियों में पहुंच रही है. प्लास्टिक, वार्निश, चमड़ा. चमड़ा मीन्स स्किन. रबड़. रबड़ मीन्स रबर. कागज. कागज मीन्स पेपर. These all the factories. तमाम गंदगी. whole गंदगी. गंदगी means the bad only reach the river. Bad the noise polluted water reach in the river. इससे इन नदियों का पानी विषैला हो गया है. So only this river become poisonous. विषैला. विषैला means poisonous. इस पानी को पीने से बीमारी आसानी से फैल जाती है. We will drink this river water. What happen? Yes, बीमारी आसानी से फैल जाती है. The disease will become spread easily. आसानी से फैल जाती है. Spread easily. अगर यह स्थिति ऐसी ही रहेगा तो पृथ्वी से जीवन मंडल कुछ ही वर्षों में समाप्त हो जाएगा. If the life chamber, this life continue means what happen? Our life chamber will finish. समाप्त. समाप्त means खत्म. Finish. It will finished. Our earth life chamber is become over. Okay, so should avoid the water pollution. Next, वायु प्रदूषण. आज वाहनों की संख्या में भारी वृद्धि हुई है. आज nowadays वाहनों की संख्या, the counting of vehicles, वाहन means vehicle, scooter, bike, car, truck, etc. संख्या भारी वृद्धि, it is increases. वृद्धि means increases. Every home have 2 bikes, 1 car, like increases. Okay, उनमें निकलने वाली धुएं का प्रभाव बहुत भयंकर होता है. In this vehicles become धुएं means smoke. It is very dangerous. Okay, भयंकर means very dangerous. इससे मानव तथा जीव जंतुओं को ऑक्सीजन नहीं मिलती. In this air pollution we didn't have oxygen. We didn't get oxygen. प्रदूषण से आँख, नाक और गले में रोग फैल जाते हैं. In this pollution, आँख means eyes, नाक nose, नाक means nose, gale means neck. In this organ we get spread disease. रोग फैल जाते हैं. रोग means disease, फैल means spread. Okay, इससे वनस्पति की भी क्षति होती है. In this air pollution the vegetation also get struggle. वर्षा भी कम होने लगी है. वर्षा means rain also become less. Okay, कोयले के धुएं, मोटर स्कूटरों तथा कारखानों के धुएं से ही वायु का प्रदूषण हो रहा है. कोयले means the coal dust, मोटर स्कूटर, कारखानों के धुएं, this vehicles, factories smoke, this also spread the air pollution, वायु प्रदूषण. इससे बचने के लिए अनेक पेड़ पौधों को हमें उगाना चाहिए. If we want relief from the air pollution, what should we do? Yes, अधिक पेड़ पौधे हमें उगाना चाहिए. We should produce many trees. Okay, we should produce many trees. ध्वनि प्रदूषण. ध्वनि means noise or sound. वाहनों तथा लाउड स्पीकर से ध्वनि भी प्रदूषित हो गई है. Vehicles and loudspeaker. Many festivals have loudspeaker. No, this sound become pollution, noise pollution. इसका शोर कान के पर्दों को नुकसान पहुंचता है. This noise, कान के पर्दे, our ear have air drum. Inside our ear have air drum. It become danger, नुकसान. It become danger. इससे मानव धीरे धीरे बहरा हो जाता है. So the men have deaf from the ध्वनि प्रदूषण, noise pollution. We will become deaf. We can't hear anything. Okay, आज हर देश की सरकार समस्या से जूझ रही है. Nowadays all the country government, हर देश की सरकार, every country government found out this solution of the problem. समस्या means problem. जूझ रही है, struggling by this pollution. Okay, वृक्षारोपण से इस समस्या का समाधान हो सकता है. वृक्षारोपण means what? Yes, vriksha means tree. Vriksharopan, afforestation. We have produce many tree. This only solution of the problem. समस्या का समाधान. Okay. कारखानों को शहर से दूर रखना चाहिए. We should keep away from the city. We should keep the factories away from the दूर means away from the cities. Okay. मानव मात्र के कल्याण के लिए सबको प्रयत्नशील होना चाहिए. Because of our welfare, we should try to this solution. Okay. प्रयत्नशील, we should try, all should try. समस्या को दूर करने के लिए जनता को सरकार के साथ हाथ मिलकर काम करना चाहिए. If we want to try to solve for this problem, what should we do? Yes, सरकार के साथ मिलकर काम करना चाहिए. Not only government, we should also give hand by this problem. Okay, then only we can reduce this problem. Next, सप्ताह के दिन पढ़ेंगे. Days of the week. सोमवार. First one, सोमवार. सप्ताह means week. दिन means day. Okay. Days of the week. First one, सोमवार. सोमवार means yes, Monday. मंगलवार, Tuesday. Very good. बुधवार, Wednesday. गुरुवार, Thursday. शुक्रवार, Friday. शनिवार, Saturday. रविवार, Sunday. Again I read. You also repeat with me. Okay. सोमवार, yes. Monday. मंगलवार, yes, very good. Tuesday. बुधवार, Wednesday. गुरुवार, Thursday. शुक्रवार, Friday. शनिवार, Saturday. रविवार, yes, Sunday. Very good. Next we are going to learn बोलचाल हिंदी about days of the week. First one, आज कौन दिन है? What day is today? How to ask? What day is today? Yes, आज कौन दिन है? We should know the days of the week. We can say answer easily. आज सोमवार है. Today is Monday. If today is Tuesday, how to say? Very good. आज मंगलवार है. Very good. We should change the day name only. आज सोमवार है. आज means today. Today is Monday. कल कौन दिन था? कल have two meanings. Two meanings. One is yesterday, another one is tomorrow. How to find out this meaning? Yes, we can find out by the tense. कौन दिन था? This था come means it is the meaning was. Okay. कल कौन दिन था means what day was yesterday. था come means it is yesterday. Okay. What day was yesterday? Yes, कल रविवार था. Yesterday was Sunday. Okay. Yesterday was Sunday. कल कौन दिन है? This है means is. So it is tomorrow. What day is tomorrow? कल मंगलवार है. Tomorrow is Tuesday. Understood? Again I say, आज कौन दिन है? Yes, very good. आज सोमवार है. कल कौन दिन था? कल रविवार था. Next, कल कौन दिन है? Yes, super. कल मंगलवार है. Very good, my dear children. This meanings opposite. This only we will learn book back exercise the next week. Okay. The poem meanings opposite only you should write in the notebook and then prepare well. Okay. Spoken Hindi also prepare well. After that you will discuss with your siblings, friends, relatives and your parents also. I hope it is very useful for you. Dhanyavad. Thank you children. Bye.